Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I feel like I haven't done one of these intros in so freaking long because I literally start off looking like broke, busted, and disgusted, okay? But for today's video, we are doing this look right here. I saw this one girl do this same like eye look on Instagram. I'll insert the picture right here to give her some credit because this look was bomb, honey, okay? We're only going through the eyeshadow because y'all know my face routine is the exact same. I'll leave the link to my 4-part series right up in here where you can see my entire face routine, eyeshadow routine, eyebrow routine, all of that, okay? All of that. Honestly, this eye look was super simple. Like, anybody can do this eye look. If you are a beginner, you can definitely achieve this eye look, honey, okay? Don't be intimidated by, like, the blendation, even though blendation is not a word. So, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching the video. So, we are literally taking it back for this video. Like, I haven't done a voiceover in so long, but this is what y'all wanted, so I'm giving you what you want, okay? So first we're going into the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morph. This was the collab, and we're taking this shade Roxanne, and I'm taking this on a e.l.f. contour brush. This is the small contour brush. I honestly don't even know if they have this brush anymore because it's that old. So I'm just putting this into the crease. Yes, we are working with the crease first because we are switching it up in 2019. Okay, so we're putting the crease color in first, and then we are going to blend this color out with this yellow shade from the Licorice palette. This is by NYX Cosmetics, and we're just going to buff this yellow shade in and put it in the transition part of the eye, and we're gonna buff this color out, and we're gonna be good to go. Okay. So the brush that I'm using is the Morph R39 brush. Y'all, this brush is a heaven sent. If you have the funds, definitely go out and buy this brush. So we lost some of that Roxanne shade, so I'm just going back in to deepen up the color. You'll notice in the video we're going back in with, you know, just to make the colors more vibrant. So just be patient with this eyeshadow look. So now I'm going into the shade Hunts in that same Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're taking this on a Sigma E36 blending brush. And we are just going to blend between the yellow shade and that burgundy shade just so we can get a nice blendation, gradient, all of that, okay? And then once again, we're picking up some of that yellow just to make the colors more vibrant. So y'all are probably thinking like, girl, why do we need to cut the crease if like we just doing a really like smoky look? Because we want this next color to be super pigmented and vibrant, like we want it to stand out, okay? So I'm cutting my crease with just some concealer, that's it, and I'm taking this on my Morph. So it is the Morph 224 brush. So we are taking the star, the boss, the everything of this look right now. She is beautiful, she is bold, she everything. So this shade is called Enchanted, and when I tell you it be having the boys hypnotized, girl, go out in this look and I kid you not, you be popping, okay? So I just took that on a Wet n Wild large eyeshadow brush, and now I'm just blending out the burgundy shade and this dark green shade with the Sigma E36 brush. So to jazz up this look a little bit, I'm going to use this blue eyeshadow from the NYX Ultimate palette. It's kind of like a topper. I want it to be like a blue-green type of feel to this look, so this is the color I decided to go in with. So taking this pink shade, y'all are probably like, girl, pink? That reminds me of like the Soulja Boy meme that's going around. But we're taking this pink shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and we are just going to put this in the crease, add a little bit more color. Honestly, I feel like this color made the look, so this is a step you cannot miss. So definitely add this into the crease. And I'm still taking that on my Sigma E36 brush. Like I said, this is an eyeshadow tutorial. You are not going to get the whole face routine. Definitely go check out my 4-part series. I have my face routine, the products have not changed, I kid you not. So definitely go check that out to see what products that I use. But now we're just going to work on the bottom lash line. I'm starting off with that pink shade again and just buffing out the black liner that we put into the waterline. And then I'm going to go in with the foresty green shade to give that more depth. Alright girl, pop on your favorite mascara and you are good to go. Also, don't forget the lashes. I did those off camera because that's just boring, okay? Like I said, this look was super simple, so definitely go try it out. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Join the B.O.M Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. Okay, we just are. Also, leave a comment in the comment box below if you enjoyed this video or you have suggestions for future videos. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.